Hey everyone, it's Michael with Dream Vacations, and we're on board the brand new Disney Destiny. So let's show you our inside stateroom. Come on in. So this is the lowest category on the ship, inside stateroom. Alright, so the bed does not split. They do have ample plugs only on one side of the bed though. So on one side of the bed you do have two USB outlets, USB-C actually, and regular plugs. On the opposite side of the bed it is going to be a European adapter, so if you have one of those you can use. Then we have the vanity with a small mini fridge underneath. So it's more of a cooler than an actual fridge. So keep like waters and things like that cool. And then you have a safe as well as storage space here in the ample space in the closet, and your life jackets are also in the closet as well. Now for the bathroom is not a split bathroom, so when you're in an inside stateroom or the lowest category, you do not have the split bath like you do on the other categories. So it is all going to be in one with the bathtub and a shower in this particular category room. Alright, so when you're ready to book your next Disney cruise, go ahead and message me at adventuresbymaps.com, or you can find me on Instagram as well as YouTube and TikTok, adventuresbymaps.com. Bye everyone.